Hold on. I don't know what to choose.
Hi, happy birthday.
Hi, Michelle. Thank you.
What are these? Cookies?
Little hearts here, cupcakes for next week.
How to focus on this thing? I'm not even going to try.
Okay.
Michelle, do you have something for her? Okay. You say a nice big hug. What's wrong? What is wrong? What is wrong? Oh, that's such a pretty box. Aww.
So you have a little bit of everything. Cake, chocolate dip, strawberries, chocolates, macarons, truffles.
Light.
And light.
This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. What happened?
We know you have something up your sleeve.
What are you talking about? I said we're going to look for Michelle. That's it.
We're going to tree.
You know you have to do a weekly check-in. A treat.
Right.
So after the birthday treat, we went to Elevate.
Yes, birthday girl elevate auntie. Pun intended.
Doing a dual screen recording here. She did not know I was recording.
Can't take a paparazzi, you see? And then of course I indulged in a little chocolate liqueur.
So she indulged,
Choc.
looking all dolled up. Love the hairdo. And of course I paid for fireworks for my baby. I did.
Why you always lying?
I didn't.
Listen, me say we get front row seats, you know, guys. I was so appreciative, trust me.
And then on to the food. Elevating the ton up. Loaded fries. Oh, that was at wontons?
I think those were wontons, yes. And of course, the first thing that we saw was bacon wrapped plantains. That was really, really good. And I'm just here waiting to eat, but I take picture. And thankfully, we went in.
Yeah, this one should forget about me.
Of course, just enjoy the food. The food was really, really good. What we bought, it was good.
The vibe and everything at Elevate was very, very good. We recommend anybody to go there just for a chill night. You don't necessarily have to go buy food. Like, Elevate is so nice.
Yep, I agree.
And then it's not in the town. Alright, so this was my main course. It was a
salmon poke bowl
there
or
we go.
poke bowl, I don't know. And that, of course, is our ackee. Well, my ackee pasta. It did shell. It did mad. Like, it was really, really good. Just a vibe a little bit. Yeah.
And then, of course, biting off more than she can chew, the birthday shot.
But not lie, like this did name Bunches. The shot here did name Bunches. Like, no, that's not the actual name.
Then they asked me if I want. Or I should take a shot.
Yeah, you want one. See? Take a shot. And of course, he declined. Typical Renouy.
I don't really drink designated drive and all these things, no. But we were here looking all good together.
Good together. I like that.
And then, of course, some photos with a high five.
And you know me can't catch you, you know. Because I'm short.
It was a good night. It was a good vibe. On to the next day.
Hey, don't look, Pame. But of course, you know, we take on a little photo shoot with Arijam Lux Excursions. And remember, guys, to book your kayak shoots, you can find their link in the description box below. Look for goods and husband angle and triangle the drone.
Yes, so I was taking the photos for the drone shoots or the drone shots. Same thing. Moving on to another shoot. She had a very lovely day.
Oh, it was a full day. And this is him being a paparazzi. See? So me talk about paparazzi vibe. Look at that again.
Hot girl, long dress,
Sure.
Crocs.
Don't mind the Crocs. It was not a part of the plan. I was all about comfort. Trust me.
And to be honest, the whole shoot wasn't even planned either. The day just flowed here and we just worked with it.
Yep.
So there we have another
Behind
one
the scenes.
helping out with the dress.
Behind the scenes of the flying dress shoot. And the wind was winding.
It was.
It was winding.
And it helped.
Yes.
And these photos were done by Cosmo T. Really appreciate them. Here are the shots shortly after one little peep round.
Paparazzi vibe. Yeah.
Bam! Bam again. This was a drone shot. This was me. Watch her run.
That was. Me said them have me run up and you see, but it's fine. I look cute and all. And then
Back to treats.
yeah, back to treats now, guys. We were having curry chicken, pumpkin takari, and roti with coke. And you know them say a Trini style for eat roti and curry with coke, so we decided to try it.
And they say you have to eat with your hands. I did not. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
I had a
enjoy
fork.
the food more.
No, I enjoyed it just the same. It went in, I ate it, I swallowed. The end. But it was good. It was good.
Big up Michelle for all of the pastry and everything. Like, it was good.
You know we're big pan food.
Yes.
And who that?
Big driver next day. Or shall I say big reverser?
Yeah. Best way to learn for drive, reverse first. Going forward is easy. You need to learn for reverse.
Okay, wanna listen to my driving instructor? Hello. Am I too close? I mean, smart. Can I put something there over the cover?
Man, see, look up. Kini, and coconut. It tastes like coconut water.
What does it usually taste like? Don't answer that. That's a trick question.